Sneezing in kids can be a real challenge, but there are some simple ways to help ease their discomfort. First, keep their environment clean. Dust and allergens can trigger sneezing, so regular cleaning is key. Next, consider using a humidifier in their room. It adds moisture to the air, which can soothe irritated nasal passages. Saline nasal sprays are also great. They help clear out mucus and keep things moist. If allergies are the culprit, over-the-counter antihistamines can provide relief, but always check with a pediatrician first. Lastly, encourage your child to drink plenty of fluids. Staying hydrated helps thin mucus and makes it easier to breathe. With these tips, you can help your little one feel more comfortable and sneeze less.